me and you, and he's talking about what it.
On a cloudy September day, Sawyer and I loaded up the camper and headed up the river for our annual fall camping trip. Rain was in the forecast, but we were determined to make the most of our time out there.
Crawdads?
Yeah.
Hey Sawyer, where are we going?
To beach.
To the beach?
Yeah.
What are we going to do down there?
Go play around.
Just play around? Are you going to catch some crawdads?
No.
No?
I take them.
Oh no! You almost fell. You hate crawdads?
Yeah.
Ugh.
Oh no!
There is a bear chasing me. Uh-oh. Looks like you're stuck.
After he got used to riding off-road, Sawyer was able to rip on down the trail to the river. When we got back, we mounted an expedition to explore the surrounding area.
What are we doing now?
Oh, let's turn around.
You done?
Here we go home.
The storm rolled in, so we headed back to camp, changed into our jammies, took one last walk to the main road.